Welcome to EGF Academy. I am Dr. Geetanjali. Today's topic is biodiversity measurement. There are different ways to measure biodiversity, like genetic diversity, species diversity, and ecosystem diversity. Species diversity means diversity of species within an ecological community. Suppose we have an area of forest. Now we will see how many species are found in it. Like if we go to a forest, we find many species there. There will be birds, top predators like tiger, cheetah, leopard. Crocodile can also be there in aquatic body. You can also find turtles. You can find elephant as well. These are all different species and it is called species diversity. It means diversity of species within an ecological community. It indicates both species richness and species evenness. Species diversity is highest in the equator. This is equator. There is great sunlight as well as rainfall. That's why more biodiversity. But as we move towards the poles, less species richness is found there in the polar areas because number of species decrease there. Then genetic diversity. It means diversity of genes within a species. It tells how much diversity is found in the same species. We take example of dog. Dog is a species. Due to genetic variability, we have different breeds of dogs. Like this is a different dog, this is different, and this is also different kind of dog. This is genetic diversity. It means species is same, but their genetic makeup and DNA is different. That's why they are different types of dogs. This is called genetic diversity. But they don't breed in nature. Now these dog species, suppose this is Labrador. Now this Labrador can breed only with another Labrador. Then only they can reproduce and have offsprings. This Labrador cannot interbreed with this dog. Therefore, due to genetic diversity, the individuals of different varieties of same species cannot reproduce. In India, we have very high genetic diversity. For example, we have 50,000 genetically different strains of rice. We have 1,000 varieties of mangoes. It shows that mango is a single species and due to genetic variation in mango, 1,000 types of varieties are present. Another example is of radish. Due to its genetic diversity, we have different colors of radish. For example, red color, yellow, purple color. This is showing genetic diversity of radish. Genetic diversity is important to adapt to changing environment. Now Earth's climate is changing and temperature is increasing. Sometimes Earth temperature starts declining as well and we go towards ice age. Under these changing climatic conditions, if any species has genetic variability, then it can survive. For example, if Earth temperature is declining and suppose these dog species live in tropical areas, so their dog species will not survive in declining temperature of Earth. But this dog species which lives in polar areas means low temperature area. This dog will survive in declining temperature condition. So dog species will not become extinct from Earth in declining temperature condition. So more genetic diversity, there will be greater adaptation of species in nature. Now the genetic characters of closely related species are somewhat similar. For example, human is a different species and chimpanzee is a different species. Humans are closely related with the chimpanzee because our 98.4% of genes are similar to chimpanzee. That's why chimpanzees are also very intelligent like humans and their analytical power is also very good because we are genetically much similar. Then third diversity is ecosystem diversity. It means variation in ecosystem within a geographical location. Any geographical location, suppose this is one area, let's assume it is India. Now, how many types of ecosystems are found in India? That will be its ecosystem diversity. Ecosystem diversity means different types of habitat. For example, in India, there are rainforests in Western Ghats and Northeast India. There are mangroves, estuaries, coral reefs. All these are different types of ecosystems. So the more types of ecosystems are found in any area, the more will be the ecosystem diversity. This is map of India. In India, we have very high ecosystem diversity as compared to any polar country, such as Scandinavian country like Norway. If you look at this location, India is located here and Norway is here in temperate region. That's why less habitat types are found there. But in India, there is very high ecosystem diversity. Here you can find deserts in this area of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Rainforests are found in Western Ghats. Mangroves are found like mangroves of Sundarban. Coral reefs are found in Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. There are lots of wetlands in India. There are estuaries where river water meets sea. Then alpine habitat here in this area where temperature is very low. So different types of ecosystems are found here. That's why we have very high ecosystem diversity in India. Subscribe for more informational videos. You can join our affordable courses for NEET, NET JRF, and UPSC. Registration link is given in the description box.